Nestled in the foothills of western Himalayas, Renuka Lake in Himachal Pradesh is a natural wetland of immense cultural significance. The lake and its surrounding area of 402.8 hectares was also notified as a wildlife sanctuary in 1986. The lake lies in a long valley surrounded by forested slopes, full of marshes, grasslands, and rocky areas, which are home to a variety of birds and animals. It is filled by rainwater runoff from its catchment area and several perennial springs. It was designated as a Ramsar Site in 2005, a status that recognizes it as a wetland of international importance. The Renuka Lake also carries tremendous cultural and religious value in Hindu mythology. It is named after the mother of a Hindu sage, Parshuram. While many legends surround this lake, the reunion of the mother Renuka and her son Parshuram is most well known. This event is celebrated as a major festival in the district as the Renuka Fair. Many livelihoods depend on the lake. These include tourism opportunities such as nature trails, boating, and the fair. In the early days, villagers exchanged goods and agricultural produce, while the devotees took a holy dip in the lake. But in the last few decades, the fair and the lake have increased in popularity, leading to a steep increase in the footfall at the wetland, increasing the pressure on the lake ecosystem and the wildlife living close by. The change in nutrient balance affects the lake biodiversity, while soil erosion leads to heavy siltation in the lake. Renuka Lake is home to a variety of animals, fishes and birds that have made it their habitat due to the abundance of food, water and shelter. But continued pressure on the lake and wetland area can lead to an immense loss to nature and culture. At a time when wetlands are facing the challenges of pollution, overuse and climate change, let us aim to conserve this cultural and natural treasure. Let us take forward and maintain this balance of conservation and wise use of our wetlands.